Hi lovelies, today we are starting off with shampooing. I am using the Aviva award-winning shampoo, and I love this shampoo because it leaves my hair soft and shiny, and it is gentle enough to be used weekly, and it also does not leave my hair feeling dry and stripped of all the moisture. So if you're new here, I do wash my hair in twists. My hair is type 4, specifically 4C. I have been natural for 8 years and my hair is about 30 inches long. So I always wash my hair in twists to prevent tangles and knots and to prevent my hair from shrinking as much. So it is honestly the best way that I have been washing my hair for years. It has allowed me to retain so much length and also allowed me to avoid fairy knots and single strand knots. So if you're trying to avoid your hair curling up on itself when you wash, then shampooing and deep conditioning in twists are the best way to go. I always say this in my natural hair tip videos, so give it a try and see how it goes. So I'm following next with the Aviva Revive treatment deep conditioner. I told you guys I love their products. I'll link where you can purchase them in the description box below and even in the comment section as well if you want me to. So I love it because it leaves my hair also soft and shiny, and it also aids with detangling. So yeah, those are the two main reasons why I love it. I also reviewed it in my product review video, so you can go have a look on my channel to see the video to know what current products that I'm using right now. So yeah, so once I apply the deep conditioner, I just make sure that I get my edges, make sure I get my nape, make sure I get the ends of my hair. I just make sure that my hair is completely saturated, and I squeeze the deep conditioner into each twist. And I put it in my hair, allow it to sit for about 15 to 30 minutes with a shower cap. In this case, I'm using a plastic bag, and it works the same. So I do that and then I rinse it out. So next I am using the Aviva's leave-in conditioner. I absolutely really like this leave-in conditioner because it just makes my detangling brush slide through. So all the products I'm using, even the detangling brush, are all from ShopAviva, and as I said, I'll link everything down below. So as you can see, the brush is absolutely gliding through my hair, and I am fast forwarding, so that's why it looks like I'm moving really fast, but no, I take my time to detangle and I hardly have any breakage after. So I usually don't brush and allow my hair to shrink. Every time I detangle my hair, I twist it up immediately after, but I wanted you guys to see how much my hair shrinks. As you can see, most videos I put out on my channel, my hair is always stretched, and I keep getting questions about, oh, how do you stretch your hair, and you know, is your hair really 4C and whatnot. But yeah, it is really 4C. I just always keep it stretched too. So that's one of the reasons why people don't really know what hair type I am, because 4C is so versatile that it mimics so many different hair types. So yeah, so as you can see, my hair is really long. I wasn't able to get how long it was, but then you can see from the video that is quite long. All right then, so this is how shrunken my hair gets, and when it's dry, it's actually way shorter. So it goes all the way from down my waist, like hanging above my ears. So I've personally got about 80% to I would say like 90% shrinkage in this case. So yeah, so this is the reason why I don't leave my hair shrunken, because my hair always tends to wrap around itself, and because I did this on that day, I found some single strand knots around my head later. So yeah, so I wouldn't be doing this, I wouldn't be allowing my hair shrink anytime soon. Okay, so now on to how to stretch your hair. So I'll be doing the banding method, but the banding method with a twist. So what I'm doing here is I am making sure to secure half of my head with an elastic band, and make sure your elastic band, it has no metal pins in it or no metal parts at all. And what I'm doing is I'm making sure that my hair is stretched, and I am following with twisting. So I keep pulling on the ends of my hair, because if you don't pull on the ends of your hair, you're not able to stretch your hair as much to make sure that it's stretched. So you can go on to add more products in your hair before you do this, but I wanted my hair to dry faster, so I just used only the leave-in conditioner to make sure that my hair was moisturized enough before securing with the bands and proceeding to stretch my hair with this method. So I'm doing the same for the other side. I'm securing my hair first with the elastic band, and then I'm going to twist before completely covering both twists with elastic bands to stretch them all the more. So this is another method to have a heatless stretch with your natural hair, especially if you have type 4 hair and you want your hair to be as stretched as possible. This mimics African threading, so I do suggest that you give it a try. For me, I prefer the long elastics compared to the short ones. And then this is a close-up look on what it looks like. So as you can see, my hair is fully moisturized and really clean. So this is what it looks like, and this is me the next day with full makeup. Yes, who's that? And this was actually filmed on my birthday. And I'm just gonna take that down after I've put a little bit of oil on my fingers. And as you can see, my hair is fully stretched, so I'm going to shake it out and like gently separate it, because I left it in for about 3 days because I really wanted my hair to be completely dry so that I could show you all what it really looked like. So because I used only the leave-in conditioner on my hair, it really felt light and it wasn't weighed down compared to if I would use a leave-in and a cream and an oil to seal. So it's not that doesn't mean that you shouldn't. I'm just saying that if you use only the leave-in conditioner to stretch your hair before additionally using any products to style, then your hair feels way lighter and your hair is stretched all the more. Okay, so I'm just taking down the elastic now and doing the same as I did to the other side. So that's how much elastic band that I use. And once I'm all done, this is what it looks like. Thank you all so much for watching. If you watched to the end, thank you so much. So this is what the results look like. Don't forget to live well, live great, pray always. God bless you all lovelies, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye for now. Bye.